In this video I'm going to show you how to correctly adjust and wear the Trueo Posture Corrector. Firstly, let's ensure your posture corrector is set up correctly. When you first receive your posture corrector, the straps may be loose like this. To set up the posture corrector, take your straps and with the Velcro side facing outward, slide it through the back buckle. The right strap will slide through the right buckle and the left strap through the left buckle. Once you have the strap through the buckle, pass it through to the elastic hook located on the padded shoulder strap. Then secure the strap by sticking the Velcro tab onto the shoulder strap. Repeat this process for both sides. Your corrector should now look like this and is ready to wear. To correctly wear your posture corrector, you must first adjust the shoulder straps to allow you to slide on the corrector, just like wearing a backpack. Your Trueo includes a Velcro height adjustment on the back. For shorter backs, your buckle should be placed toward the top, and for longer backs, towards the bottom. When the posture corrector is worn, the back straps should be straight across the middle of the back. Once you have the corrector on, you're then ready to tighten the shoulder straps to the correct tension. Simply pull the straps upward until you feel the desired tension and then stick them back down again using the Velcro tab. It may be necessary to adjust the position of the vertical back piece to prevent it from riding up the neck. To do this, simply rotate it downwards in order to ensure a comfortable fitment in the centre of the back. If you have a larger chest and find the straps of your Trueo Posture Corrector are too tight, you'll find included in your package 2 extension straps. Using the Velcro tabs, these straps can be easily attached to your Trueo to increase the overall strap length to suit your needs. Initially, you may feel slight discomfort when wearing the Trueo Posture Corrector until your body becomes accustomed to it. As your posture improves, this will disappear. It's recommended that you start wearing the item for 15 minutes increments and increase the duration as you become more comfortable with it. As your posture improves, be sure to periodically tighten the straps to pull your shoulders back further until you can comfortably stand with them flat against a wall. In time, with muscle memory, your body will begin to hold the correct posture without the need for additional support. Simply wear your Trueo again when you feel yourself begin to slouch. Should you feel any pain when wearing the Trueo Posture Corrector, simply loosen the straps accordingly. If the pain continues, then discontinue use. When you are ready to remove your Posture Corrector, simply loosen the straps and slide off your Trueo first from one side and then from the other side over the shoulders. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy the great benefits of your Trueo Posture Corrector.
Introducing the effective, breathable, adjustable and comfortable Trueo Posture Corrector back brace that helps alleviate all types of back pain while offering enhanced shoulder support and improved body posture. Aside from better posture, it enhances breathing, body alignment and reduces back, shoulder, neck and upper back pain. Made up of lightweight, durable, high-quality neoprene, the Trueo Posture Corrector is easy and comfortable to wear. With its slim design, it is completely invisible under your clothes, allowing you to discreetly wear it under any clothes anytime. The Trueo Posture Corrector is adjustable, flexible and comfortable, so that you get the perfect fit for your body. Our unisex Trueo Posture Corrector can be used anytime, anywhere with total comfort. Make yourself look taller, slimmer and more attractive. Improve your confidence and feel more powerful as a result of enhanced bodily alignment. Start wearing it for 20 to 30 minutes a day and feel the difference.
To begin using your posture corrector, start by adjusting the straps to a length that will allow you to put the posture corrector on your back. After the straps are adjusted, put the posture corrector on your back. It's very easy and slides right on like a backpack. Now grab the sides with both hands and pull to tighten them until there is no slack. Keep in mind that your comfortable cell back posture corrector comes with comfortable, detachable armpit pads that provide all-day wearability. The back side of the corrector should be in the horizontal position for easy adjustment. The posture corrector is designed to feel comfortable while you're in the good posture position it encourages. When you begin to slouch, the posture corrector makes you feel slightly uncomfortable, reminding you to sit up straight again. A short time after regular use of the posture corrector back brace, your muscles will strengthen, muscle memory will develop, and you'll have improved posture all the time. Enjoy your Cell Bite posture corrector, and if you have any questions, please message us.
Millions of people are affected by bad posture. Poor posture can actually contribute to some pretty serious health issues. The Laramed Posture Corrector is the right solution to that problem. Laramed Posture Corrector ensures alignment and stability in the upper back, neck, and shoulders. What makes this posture correcting brace so effective is that it improves your posture through muscle memory, meaning the more you wear it, the more your body naturally adjusts to having correct posture. Ever since I started using the Laramed Posture Corrector, the pain from my shoulder and neck from slouching has decreased significantly. The Clavicle brace is available in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, to fit everybody's body size. It's also unisex. I wore my Laramed Posture Corrector for 20-30 minutes a day and felt the difference. Now, I have it on all the time. It's made with a comfortable material that's hypoallergenic, non-irritating, and breathable. The adjustable design is discreet enough to wear under your shirt or your blouse. I can wear it while I'm working, at home, or running an errand, and no one knows I have it on. The Laramed Posture Corrector features strong but lightweight washable materials, and because of its design, it keeps my body cool while promoting proper posture. So stand tall, confident, and proud with the Laramed Posture Corrector.